Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow taller. I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips. Now this isn't going to make you guys grow a whole foot taller, but it'll make you guys grow a couple inches taller if you guys stay consistent with the exercises. Alright guys, so the first tip that I want to give you guys is hanging. Now this is probably one of the most popular exercises to perform, and it's really easy to perform as well because all you need is a straight bar. Now how this helps you is that it gives your spine a chance to be fully suspended against the gravity. Now this exercise should be performed for a couple minutes a day every single day, and you'll start seeing results after a month or two. The next tip that I want to give you guys is stretching. Now stretching is really good for you in terms of muscles, growth, and agility, and I'm going to be giving you guys a few examples of stretches that you guys can perform yourselves. Now the next tip is sports. Now there's many sports out there that naturally help you grow, like swimming and basketball. This is shown when you see a basketball player or a swimmer because you can tell that they're usually tall. An example of this is when you're performing the front crawl in swimming because you're stretching out your entire body consistently, and this makes you grow. Also in basketball, you're consistently running and jumping to play the game, and this also helps you grow. The next tip that I want to give you guys is calisthenics, and this kind of has a resemblance with hanging because a lot of calisthenics exercises involve hanging, and this helps you grow. So here are some calisthenics exercises that you guys can perform. Pull-ups, chin-ups, and muscle-ups. So as you see, all these exercises involve hanging. Now the final tip that I want to give you guys, and this is probably one of the most important tips, is nutrition, because everything that goes into your body plays a huge part in your growth. That said, you need to maintain a proper diet that has all your nutrients required. So eat foods that are rich in calcium, high in protein, and high in vitamin D. Here are some foods that you should include into your diet. Alright guys, so those are some tips on how to grow taller, and as I said earlier, these are going to help you grow a couple inches taller. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.